Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will discuss how people join the Santan Dal and why everyone admires Balak Brahmachari. Today, we will share the story of one such individual, describing how they joined the Santan Dal and their experience. Naresh Sharma, a resident of Jaipur, was employed and took retirement in 2012. This event was bound to happen, but the question was, what should a person do after retirement? He was sitting idle, and the money he had saved during his service, he invested in a hotel business. He went to Kolkata to attend a function, which happened to fall on the day of Guru Purnima. There, he met me. I observed him and got to know him in detail. I realized that he was now free from all responsibilities and could join me, helping to promote the Santan Dal. I then briefly introduced Naresh Sharma to the concept of the Guru element, which he understood well. I said to him, as you have come on the auspicious day of Guru Purnima, would you like to do something for the Guru? He replied, yes, I would. Please tell me. He went on to say that the Guru is the Supreme Being, the Guru is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. We consider them as our Gurus. His words left a positive impression on me. I then asked him if I could accompany him to his home, and he agreed. So, we both went to his house. I went to his home, observed everything, understood his situation, and gave him some books. I then explained the contents of the books to him. After that, I returned. Later, there was a program in Kolkata, for which I invited him. He came and stayed at my house. I gave him a book, saying, read this, tomorrow, you will need to speak about it in front of everyone. He read it, but he found it hard to understand as the language was a bit complex. I then explained everything to him, and he understood a little. The next day, we went to the program, and I asked him to speak in front of everyone. He expressed his gratitude from the stage, saying that he was thankful I had invited him from Jaipur and given him the opportunity to speak on this platform. He said, there must be some strength within me that has brought me here. Next time, I will come fully prepared and will also answer everyone's questions. Whenever anyone asked him how, as a Brahman, he felt inclined towards Ram Narayan, he would say that he understood it through the essence and awareness of the Guru. He explained, the words Ram Narayan Ram encompass everything in the universe. The syllable Rara represents the rotation of the entire universe, where everything is in motion. Ram also connects to Ma, symbolizing the vastness of space, the cosmic space that we can perceive with our vision. This vast space, or Mahakash, fills the entire universe. When we remember the word Ram, we are recalling the entire universe, the Mahakash. He continued, the syllable Na in Narayan encapsulates everything from tiny atoms to the largest elements of creation. It is a seed mantra encompassing all atoms and molecules in the universe. The syllable Ya includes the 5 elements sky, earth, air, heat, and water which constitute the body. Each of these elements is worshipped, and we, too, worship them. Everything, from atoms to the universe, is encompassed within this chant, and there are still many aspects of creation and other universes that science continues to explore. Nothing remains outside of it. We worship the entire cosmos with Ram Ram Narayan Ram, from the tiniest particle to the vast universe. What else is left? Ram is included, Krishna is included, and Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and Shankar are all encompassed within it. Why should we worship separate deities? The chant Ram Narayan Ram brings the 33 crore divine energies into us. Why then should we call upon different gods individually? We are invoking the universe itself, the cosmos from which we all originate. Everything is contained within this universe even today. This understanding brought him great satisfaction. He realized that Ram Narayan Ram is the seed mantra of Balak Brahmachari Ji, which was released into the cosmos. It doesn't need to be listened to, it just needs to be chanted. Thousands of people are connected with us through this. It has a positive impact on everyone. For instance, someone who struggles to sleep at night finds peace when they chant Ram Narayan Ram and can fall asleep. This has benefited him greatly, which is why he joined us. He received whatever he sought from it, as it's said that whatever you ask from the heavens with raised hands, you shall receive. He is not promoting it under any compulsion. He is associated with Santan Dal out of his own happiness and is spreading its message. When I first saw him, he struck me as very wise and kind-hearted. He had a calm and pure mind, which is why he joined Santan Dal and has committed to serving the earth just as we do. He will continue on this journey with us. Santan Dal leads everyone towards the truth.